Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a one-page website on Canva. There are two ways you can do this. You can either use a Canva template or you can create a website from scratch. I'll be showing you how to use both options. So the first thing you want to do is go onto canva.com. From there, you are going to create an account if you don't have one already. It is completely free to do. All you'll need is your email address. Once you have created your account, I want you to tap on the search bar, and from there you are going to create, or better yet, type in landing page. So you're going to do that right here, and you're going to select the option landing page websites. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can see different landing page that you can choose from. So it all depends on your liking. You can select any one of these options. So for example, if you would like to create a coming soon website, or you would like to use this template, you can simply tap on it. After you have done that, all you'll need to do is tap on customize this template. Once you have tapped on customize this template, you'll be able to start making changes. So for example, you could tap right here on the name section, and you could quickly edit that section by simply tapping there. I could change it to, for example, my name. So I could do that real quick. You can also change the image by simply going over to the left hand menu option. You could tap on uploads, and you could upload an image that you would like to use, and then you could simply drag and place the image right there. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can continue making other changes. You can also edit the call to action button by simply tapping on it. You could change the color. You can also change the shape of the button, as you can see right there. And to make it clickable, all you'll need to do is simply select the text, then tap on link, and from here you could paste in the link. So for example, you could paste in a link to an external website by simply copying the website URL and adding it right here. Then from there you could tap on done. So now whenever someone clicks on this button, they'll be redirected to that page. And you can scroll down and you can continue editing the other pages. Now, as you can see right here with this website, it has more than one page. For example, if I were to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, although I had selected landing page, you can see that it has the home page, about me page, services, feedback, and contact page. So if you would like to use this layout, you can do that. But let's say, for example, we want to create a website from scratch. All you'll need to do is go back to the home page. Then from there, you can tap on create blank landing website, or you can go right back to the first home page, tap on websites right below the search bar. Then from there, you could tap on website right here, create blank. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can see one single blank page. Now what I would recommend you do is go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to select layouts. After you have selected layouts, you can see the different layout options right here. So let's say, for example, we would like to use this layout option. All you will need to do is tap on it. Or let's say I want to create a stunning landing page and I want to use this version. I could simply tap on it right there. Then from there, I could add in my text. So let's say, for example, I'll type in a text, how to use iPhone, just for example's sake. Then after doing that, you can edit the text right here. You could also edit the text there, and you could add a call to action right here. So you can edit the call to action button. So for example, you could select the text, then type in, click here. After you have done that, you could make the text clickable by simply selecting the text, then tapping on the link icon, and you could paste in the URL that you'd like to redirect persons to. You can also paste in the image right here. So all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option. Let's say, for example, I would like to use this image. I can simply drag and place it right there. You can also edit the background by simply selecting the entire page. Then you could tap on the color box in the top left hand corner. From there, you could select a color that you would like the background to be. So let's say this color. After you're finished doing that, if it is a case that you would like to add more pages, you can do that. By tapping on add page, you could add a second page as you can see right here, and you could tap on design once more in the top left hand corner, and you could choose the layout that you would want for this page also. But we're going to be using one page. So if we were to tap on preview now, you can see how our website looks. So you can see right there. If you would like it to go live, all you'll need to do is tap on publish website in the top right hand corner. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.